welcome back to Punjabi Mum Cooks. Today I'm going to show you broccoli cheese bake. For that I'm going to use one broccoli. I'm going to use some salt, pepper, 1 cup of milk. I'm going to use plain flour. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. I'm going to use some garlic and I'm going to use some cheese. I have kept the water for boiling and I'm just going to cut the broccoli and then I'll show you. And I'm just going to place my broccoli in for 2 minutes and then I'm going to just remove it out. Not for very long, otherwise the greenness goes away. Friends, I'm going to turn on the gas now and I'm just going to give these broccoli florets just a little turn over. Can you see they're changing color? And I've turned on the gas. I'm going to put a little bit of, you can use margarine, butter, whatever you have. I'm just using a little piece. And I'm going to use, let the butter melt. While the butter is melting, I'll just turn off this gas. And just remove the florets out. I'm going to make the white sauce. For that I need 1 big spoon, can you see, of flour, plain flour. And I'm just going to stir it nicely and mix it till the flour changes its color. The smell is really nice already. I'm going to put some milk inside. And give it a mix. Put 1 tablespoon of cheese inside it. Just a little. Yeah, that's it. And just give it a mix. And look at my lovely sauce. How beautiful it looks. I'm going to put a little bit of salt to taste and a little bit of pepper. You can add salt and pepper according to my sauce is thickened now. So I'm going to turn off the gas now. And I'm just going to plate my broccoli in my dish. But before I do that, I'm going to put a little bit of margarine or butter, whatever you have. And just, you see friends, I've put the butter all around it nicely. And now I'm going to put some garlic. You can put according to your taste. I'm just putting a little bit. And then I'm going to put my broccoli inside it. Just spread it around. I'm making this for 2 members of the family. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put my sauce in. I'm going to put my cheese. You can put how much cheese you like. I have taken 1 whole bowl because I like my cheese nicely put on my florets. Put the oven on and at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'm going to place it and put on. I didn't preheat the oven because my oven is really hot. And just on oven now. And let's check. Ooh, look at that. Just have a look. What a beautiful color. It looks simply amazing. I hope you're going to try it. Thank you for watching.